This project is voting authorized voting system. So here you will have Arduino Uno, keypad, GSM module, fingerprint sensor, on-off switch and LCD. And remember that this project is very tough to implement and execution also somewhat typical. You have to watch the video carefully twice and thereafter only run the application. And my side, the signal of the GSM is very weak. Sometimes it will receive, sometimes it won't, but you will definitely get the SMS. I will see the OTP from the screen if I won't get the SMS due to the signal issue. And thereafter you will have totally two connections. Initially you have to insert the SIM card and then connect the 2 volts adapter to the external power supply, and see this black pin you have to insert in this slot, and thereafter there will be a green LED which will be blinking. This LED has to blink at a slower rate, that will indicate the signal, and thereafter you will have the Arduino Uno. And there will be another video part where I will show you how you will detach these wires and fingerprint sensor, how to load the fingerprint in how to load your finger into the fingerprint using the system windows. As it's very typical, becoming very typical, we can't able to do it from the Arduino. We have to shift it to the Windows in order to save the code space, which is very high. Now after loading your fingerprint into the system and connect it in the same way, like yellow to yellow and green to green, as per the other video, you will have this USB to TTL also with yellow to yellow, green to green. Okay, I will show you it in the another video how I have loaded one finger of me, and the application works in such a way that first initially the user has to enter his user ID 123459, and remember that you have to load your fingerprint with the same numbers only, because we are matching with the user ID and outcome of the finger ID. So 1 to 9 only for academic purpose. It is purely academic level, so we are just using single digits for both. So first initially the person has to press his user ID and press start button to identify by the system that user has been entered. Thereafter the system will ask for the fingerprint, and once the fingerprint is authorized, then it will move to the OTP section, and the person has to enter the OTP and press the hash button. And once hash button is pressed, if the OTP is also valid, then it will show you the party button ABC, that is party 1, party 2 and party 3. You have to press one A or B, then it will take the vote. Same way for all the 9 users, and thereafter whenever you turn off this, then it will show you the final result. In order to repeat the application, you have to press the reset button, and here this is the on off switch to on the voting, turn on the voting and turn on the voting. Okay, now as the signal is not stabilized from my side, I will take it from the system. Now you have to plug in the Arduino Uno. Once you plug in it, on the LCD you will get the project title, and thereafter the system will wait for the switch input. Now I will turn on into the voting mode. The voting started. Enter ID and press star. So my fingerprint ID is 1, so I am going to here enter 1. Whenever you press your enter 1, it will be displayed on the LCD also, and press start button. Then the voter ID 1, place finger, and the system will ask for the fingerprint. Now I am placing my finger. Sometimes it may not detect. You have to clean your finger and try multiple times in order to make it work. And I have kept it. Whenever you detects your finger, it will take image converted and match ID 1, and it will send the OTP. As it's cloudy and cannot get the OTP. Previously when I tested, I got the OTP to my mobile number, and you will get the OTP like this, voter authorized OTP. So here the new OTP is generated, that is 1976. Now the system will ask you, after sending the OTP, enter OTP and press hash button. So you have to enter the OTP 1976 and press the hash button. So it will also display the same here, hash button. OTP matched authorized, please place your vote. It will show you A, B, C, party 1, party 2 and party 3. Now if I want to press for B, I will press B, party 2 vote submitted, enter ID and press star. That it will go into the loop for the another person. So once this part is done, then and I will show you the error part also. So whenever the person 2 has entered and press the star button, it will say voter ID 2, place the finger, but voter ID 2 no match is found. I am just placing my finger of the voter ID, image taken, it is checking the image, finger ID 1 got, FID not matched. So entered the second user ID, but the finger detected the first one, so you will get the error. Same way for if you enter the OTP, wrong OTP also, you will get the error and the system comes to the initial stage. Once all the voting process is completed, then you can turn off this switch. Once you turn off switch, it will show you voting done, party 0, party 2 1, party 3 0 and party 2 win. So this is the working application of the project, and in order to again run it, you can remove the power and reconnect it or press the reset button. So this is the functionality of the project.